In this task, you'll learn how to spatially constrain data to the study area using a GIS operation known as clipping. Here I have QGIS Desktop open with the Lab 4 QGIS document. With one exception, this map has the same data you worked with in Lab 3. There's a new data set representing fast food locations. This layer obviously extends beyond the limits of Baltimore City. I'll right-click on the fast food layer and choose Zoom to Layer. This takes me to the full extent of the layer, which extends across all of Maryland. Now I'll click the Zoom Last button to return to the Baltimore City extent. I'm only interested in Baltimore City, so I'll clip this layer to the spatial extent of Baltimore City. But first, I'll familiarize myself with the data. I'll click the Identify Features tool and click on one of the fast food locations on the map. The Identify Features results shows what kind of attributes the layer has. I can see it has a type, name, address, etc. I'll close the Identify Features window. Before I run the clip operation, I need to ensure that both the layers are in the same CRS. I'll open the layer properties for the fast food layer, and I'll switch to the General tab. This layer is in WGS84 pseudo Mercator, so I'll need to reproject it so it's in the same CRS as the Baltimore City boundary. I'll close Layer Properties. I'll right-click on the fast food layer and choose Save As. I'll select the Esri shapefile format. I'll be creating a new copy of this layer in the same Maryland State Plane CRS used by the other map layers. I'll browse to my Lab 4 My Data folder, and I'll name it Maryland Fast Food SPCS. Here I'll employ a naming convention. Ending the layer name with SPCS will remind me that this layer is in the state plane coordinate system. Next, I'll click the Browse button for the CRS. This opens the Coordinate Reference System selector window. I'll search for the coordinate system by using the EPSG code that the map is in, 102685. I'll select it and click OK. Back at the Save Vector Layer As window, I'll click OK to reproject the shapefile. A blue bar across the top of the map canvas signifies the process is completed and a new layer will be added to the Layers panel. Now I'm ready to clip this layer to the Baltimore City boundary. So from the menu bar, I'll click Vector, Geoprocessing Tools, Clip. The input layer will be the new state plane fast food layer, and the clip layer will be the Baltimore City boundary. I'll click Browse for the output and choose Save to File and navigate to my lab folder. I'll name it Baltimore Fast Food, and I'll click Run. The new layer shows up as clipped in the Layers panel. I'll turn off the other two fast food layers, and I can see that the new layer consists of just those restaurants within the Baltimore City boundary. To style this new layer, I'll right-click on the original fast food layer, choose Styles from the context menu, and Copy Style. I'll then right-click on the clipped layer, go down to Styles, and choose Paste Style. Finally, I'll remove the other two layers from the Layers panel. In the next task, I'll measure the proximity to these fast food restaurants.